listening to the Pinoy Podcast.
Welcome to episode 36 of Pinay Podcast. Pinay Talk, the girls' night, every Wednesday, 8 to 9 p.m. Manila time, 8 to 9 a.m. New York time, and 4 to 5 p.m. Dubai. Chat with us and listen live on PinayPodcast.com/live. You can also find us on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, SoundCloud, Blog Talk Radio, MySpace, and YouTube. Mga kababayan, here's your host, the alluring Shangela, and our beautiful Pinay in Dubai, Fermina.
Hi, G. Good morning. Good morning, New York. Good evening, Manila. Alluring. Kasi beautiful.
Alluring.
Wednesday kay FD yun eh.
Yes, hi. Good evening, sis. Good evening, Pilipinas. And good morning kay Semi-Guapo G. At good ati naman dito sa amin sa Dubai o sa Middle East. Yes, because it's Wednesday. Alam nyo na. Again, this is Fermina, the beautiful Pinay in Dubai. Yay! Ang makakasama nyo this ladies night episode at pinoypodcast.com/live.
Hmm?
Yes.
So
So
what are we going
excited
to talk
again.
Ha?
Yeah. What are we going to talk tonight?
It's the Mars and Venus
Yes.
dating guy. Okay.
Yeah. This
Our
is
topic is the Mars and Venus dating guide.
yes. Well, actually, we'll be limiting that to the Venus point of view muna. Okay, for our limited timing. And so excited, we have another interesting paksa or topic. When it comes to dating, marami na sa ating masyadong knowledgeable ba? Pros and cons of dating. And just to give a different approach, when it comes to dating, particularly sa aming mga babae, and at the same time, we'll also serve some information na rin sa mga lalaki. So, sa mga nasa live chat at sa ating mga tagapakinig, men and women, take mental notes. We'll try to share some point of view, and we're going to share also some example that Dr. John Gray shared sa mga babae when it comes to dating. At meron din pala tayong isang letter sender again na in the course of time, pwede natin siyang basahin. Right?
Yeah,
So, yes.
We have a guest tonight, right?
Yes.
Janet.
Yeah. We'll hope we'll have Janus with us also, the
Yeah,
Debonair Janus.
Yeah.
Right. So, we start with dating. In the simplest definition of dating. How about you, sis? Do you have some, practical definition about dating?
Dating, well, for me, that's, ano ba yan? Getting to know each other stage
Yes.
before I
Yes.
jump in the water.
Yes. This is
I
like
have,
dating pool. Ika nga.
I have to test it first kung masyado bang malamig o masyadong mainit.
Yan. Tama. Sakto, sis.
Masusunog ang melanin ko or what?
Tama. Just two people, just to simplify, two people getting to know each other and figuring each other out, whether they will see or like each other, and they get the likes, at the same level. So maybe they develop more to something or a relationship. Kasi when it comes to relationship, it simply defines also relationship is just the distance to one another. So the more you're getting close, the more na you get bond, the more you like each other, syempre magpo-form kayo ng relationship. So dating should not be, it should be fun and you should enjoy it. May mga nagsasabi nga, it's just a date! Exclamation point.
Yeah.
And some people will ask why go on date. And especially tayong mga babae, we have to take note of that. If a guy, you cannot, kasi yung uso ngayon, di ba, yung parang they are into online, tapos social media, chatting, exchanging messages, or kaya sa cellphone, texting. And then may mga scenario pa na they will keep texting, they will involve emotionally through texting, and then they will just have to decide na mag-iibi daw, eyeball. But then again, ang danger doon, parang nagdi-decide sila as they see each other. It's kind of planning to screw their brains out. So, hindi yung dating na gano'n yung ini-encourage namin. Mga ladies, alam nyo yung sinasabi ko. But, yung dating na to is, for most guy, na malaman nyo na yung clear and good intention ng isang guy sa inyo. So, he will have the courage and gather all his balls to ask you out on a date because you deserve and worthy to be asked out, right?
Yeah.
So, diba?
Tito Fermina. G, are you there?
I'm here.
Yes.
Can we put on Jana? What happened?
He's contacting Janus.
We're calling him Naji.
Janus? Okay, I'll continue.
Okay.
Okay. So, why date? And so, the clear and good intention of both parties, especially on the side of the guy. Hi, Janus, are you there na?
Hi, Jan.
Yeah. Could you hear me?
Hi. Yes.
Yeah.
Welcome
Okay, sure. Yeah,
to
I'm here.
Pinoy Podcast.
Yeah, I'm just here listening to you. Yeah, go on.
Okay.
Hi, guys. Hi, everyone
You're
just
going-
listening.
Okay, you're going to shut your mouth for a second? Or...
Yeah, for a lot of minutes. I'll just listen to you. Go on.
We want your point of view also, bro. So just hang on there. Okay? So
Sure, just
welcome
go on.
again. Okay,
Yeah,
I'm about to finish this why dating and the intention of dating and more of it. Anyway, for all ladies out there, okay? Sis, remember, marami na tayong na-discuss even before napahapyaw about dating sa mga nakarang episodes natin na yung parang basic and foundational na rin for them to be ready now to go out in the dating pool, like yung self-love, self-confidence, di ba? Yung being irresistible to guy, gano'n, tsaka yung knowing the real bad guy sa good guy, di ba? So, now ladies, make this your mantra. So, you don't, you don't just have to live your dating life or love life sa faith alone. You have to go out there and date. Okay? And remember, you are an amazing person that deserve true love. Ganun din sa mga guys. Right? Right, Janus?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah,
Okay.
of course.
Yeah. Good.
Especially if you're in that age where it's getting late or what. Yeah, but yeah.
What age, Janet? What age?
That age. But like if you're like past the quarter life age, then that's it.
Anyhow, I'll be assuring Jan na love knows no boundaries no matter what age you are in. Okay?
Sure, I'll take it from you girls. By experience.
Okay, so anyway, so dating.
Okay.
So dating na tayo. Also, again, I just remind yung the discussion going to have today is discussing the 3 examples of Dr. John Gray about dating for women and our letter sender. So let's start. Again, sis, I'm sorry, but ikaw lagi icebreaker ko, di ba? Marami akong tanong sa'yo pa nag-start tayo. So,
Okay.
pero FYI, mga listener natin, tsaka yung nasa live chat, FYI, and sorry guys, our sis Shandela is very much happy and in a relationship na. So,
Really?
so yung mga question ko sa kanya or about dating, sis, bear with me na parang ilalahad mo na lang din yung mga experiences mo and some na mai-impart mo sa ating mga ladies na nakikinig din. So,
Okay.
I will start with the question kasi ang theme talaga natin ngayon is what happened before, during, and after the first date.
Oh.
I will repeat the first date kasi napaka-broad ng dating and sa totoo lang, after the vlog na na-post tayo, ang daming questions sa inbox. So, hindi ko yung promise isagot lahat. Pero may mga areas na matatouch namin na will give you an answer also. Kasi napaka-basic din and very specific sa babae yung mga pag-uusapan namin na magbe-benefit din yung guy sa information. Okay, sis, ito yung tanong ko sa'yo. So,
Okay.
happened before and during and after. So, doon tayo sa before. Granted na, sis, na may scenario na tayo.
Okay.
So, yung guy nagkaroon ng courage to ask you out, di ba? And you said yes, and may time na, ganon. So, most ladies, they said, they find themselves parang very excited somehow, and may mga time pa nga na mas advance sila magprepara, di ba? Kung 7 o'clock, baka mga 4 or 5 o'clock, nagpe-prepare na si girl. Thinking about clothes to wear, di ba? Or makeup, everything. So, can you share, meron ka rin bang mga pagkakataon before na gano'n, na what are you doing? I mean, are you excited? And what are you doing na parang hindi naman nag-worry ka, but you're taking chance na magkaroon ka ng great impression sa guy towards on your first date. So, please share us anything that will relate to that and makaka-relate din or makakakuha ng tips sa'yo yung ating mga ladies.
Okay. Before I answer that, I would just like to say hi to Dee. Hi, Donald. Missed you. Yeah, people in the chat box, good evening. And my friends listening sa Spreakers, hi, girls. Okay. Ako talaga ang tinanong about...
Yes, sorry, sis.
So, if there's this guy who asked me out, usually, hindi ako masyadong excited.
Yeah. Yung mga
Hindi ako
preparation mo. I mean,
Okay.
specific tayo. Yung do you tend to think about the dress or the makeup? Some stuff of feminine stuff that we do. This is happening, right? I
Yes.
also experience this, but I want to hear from you because I know na before there must be a lot of guys running after you. Come on, share us.
Siguro bago, yes, maraming naghahabol sa aking lalaki bago ko pinatulis yung bangs ko, okay? So ngayon, yun nga, if I'm going out on a date, wala masyadong preparation kasi ako, I don't wear makeup.
Okay.
I don't wear makeup. Ano lang, lipstick lang, ganyan. And usually, kung 7 o'clock yung date, 7 o'clock, nandun ako. I'm ready.
Wow. Napaka, niya. On the dot.
Oo, hindi ako nagpapahintay sa lalaki. You know? Especially kung gusto ko. And, hindi ako nagpapa-impress masyado. Basta, what I do is, letting him know na I'm beautiful. I'm interesting. And I'm mentally stimulating. And
Yes.
what else?
At iba pa.
Yeah, and so many to mention, no? Parang, come on, you just
Sige. Iwan
Diba?
natin yung kalahati mamaya.
Uh-huh.
Okay, kung bakit ko naitanong yan, except na alam mo namang madaldal si Permina, kailangan natin sa topic kasi alam naman natin yung mga guy or men, they are very visual creatures. Can you say amen to that, Janus?
Of course. I'm the best example.
So at least we both agree, ha? So kahit sa mga studies, di ba, alam naman yung male brain, prove that, no doubt, na talagang they get, sometimes kaya yung love at first sight, mostly nangyayari yan sa guy. Okay.
Love or lust.
Okay. Yeah. So, they
First
mind...
sight, do you believe in that?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, how can the love at first sight be true if love is blind?
Yeah.
I also don't believe in that.
Okay, go on, Sabrina.
This mind. So visual creature men. So because they are, they mind your face, your eyes, your smile. Those are essential to those visual creatures. Like men, they are biologically wired to seek signs of vitality and youth and etc. So, dito, may nakuha akong magandang i-share sa mga ladies na nakikinig and hope some guys also can take notes or can agree. Okay, Janus, you can, just let us know that if you want to add something sa mga i-mention ko. So, kasi,
Sure.
mas maganda rin. What happened kasi when a guy asked you out, because siguro from a distance and everything, attracted na physically sa'yo yung guy. But what happened during date, as soon as nagsalita yung babae, parang natiturn na pang guy. So, ito yung preparation natin.
Oh.
Okay?
Ouch.
May nangyayaring ganun, di ba? So, ito yung preparation natin to give a great impression and the ladies can carry themselves and rock the dating world. Okay.
Right.
Number 1, sabi, a smile is the best makeup you can wear. You agree with that?
I think I posted that as a status.
So, mas approachable ka o sa mga babaeng wala pang nadi-date. So, take mental notes. So, itong smiling is means that you can be approachable and be cheerful. So, medyo nakaka-attract sa guys. So, kung nag-worry kayo ladies, sa makeup and everything, just depende. If you go on lunch date or dinner date, of course, lunch date, sa morning yon light makeup will do, and sa evening, ganun din. But sabi dito sa research, you can put a soft light lipstick on to wear. But mainly, smile. Smile often. And the second one, walk slower or talk slower. Okay? Breathing natin, mga girls. Right?
Okay. Let me cut you out on that, sis. Like, with regards to the smile. Okay. You smile just because you acknowledge something or what, like that the other person is saying. But then don't smile like your mind is running blank. You're just staring at the person. Then you're smiling. You're so gorgeous. What?
Yeah. Okay. Not sa lashes.
Nakasmile lang buong evening, no?
Yeah, you're just amazed, like that kind of smile, but no, not that. Okay.
Yeah. Yung parang ka lang, open and tight.
Sasabihin ng girl, kasi I heard from Fermina your smile is your, diba?
Best way.
Best makeup ko. So nakasmile lang ako.
you're gonna get a lockjaw or like pains in your cheeks
No,
because smiling on
hindi
that.
yung tawang aso dyan. Hindi yung tawang ngiting aso. No, because I think you have to feel better to do that. Yeah, you have to feel better to do that. So, yung sa ladies lang, remind yourself that, being approachable, yung talagang yung vibes na binibigay mo sa tao, nakaka-apekto din naman yon. So, yung pangalawa, walk slower, talk slower. So, if you want, sway your hips naturally. Okay?
Kaya tsunami walk?
Oo, ha? Walk slower and talk slower.
Parang
Eto
tsunami walk. Yan.
And then, number 3, have a good hair day. Ito, sis, have a good hair day. Hair
Oo.
day. Kasi sabi, ang mga guys, unang-una, prefer nila, according sa research, mas maraming may gusto sa long hair. Kaya nga,
Alam mo kung
sinasabi-
bakit, Fermina?
Okay. Say it, sis.
Kasi yung long hair daw. Tama ba ako, Janus? It's a sex toy?
What? The long hair?
Yeah?
Well, if you ask me, I personally prefer, that kind, like straight long.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then, they prefer during dates, they prefer kasi we're talking about first date, okay? So, nakaladlad yung hair. The guy prefer nakaladlad ang hair and they can see it bouncing and shiny and everything. Okay? These are all, alam naman natin to na this is just a physical preferences of the guy. Siyempre, in a long-lasting relationship naman, hindi naman ito ang kinakailangan, di ba? But then, sa first date kasi pinag-uusapan natin, making a great impression to a guy. Okay?
Yeah, but Fermina, kung long hair ka nga, pero kung may dandruff, wag na ha. Kasi
Okay, good. I get you.
mamaya pag flip mo ng hair ng ganun, malaglag yung dandruff dun sa plato. Ew, di ba?
That's better than you flip your hair, then the whole hair falls.
Thank you.
Wig.
Okay, and the next one, the fourth one, eto, tell us, Janus, are you more attracted to a girl wearing a red color? Kasi sabi nila, it's the epitome of all things sexy, looking at a girl with a red dress or something red about her.
Red or black?
Red or black. Okay.
Right.
So
Classy.
true, ha?
Right.
Wow.
Classic.
So, kasi sabi nila, yun nga, epitome of all things sexy. And then, kung naka-red ka na raw, huwag ka na rin mag-red sa mukha mo. Okay, girls? yung lipstick mo too much red na, tapos naka-dress ka pang red. So, sobra na. So, don't overdo it. Okay?
Yeah.
Kulang na lang sa ulo mo, my heart. Sasabihin nila, Valentine na. So,
Yeah, like
Diba?
who's that cartoon character with a red dress and the super uber red lips? I think she's the wife of Roger Rabbit or what?
malaking hinaharap.
It's Jessica Rabbit.
Jessica Rabbit, yeah.
Yeah.
It's so attractive sa mga male brain si Jessica. Anyway, the next one is be expressive. It means nito, being expressive, nakita mo ba yung mga babaeng poker face or nakasimangot or, pero sa pagdating daw sa dating, men prefer a facial expression. Pakita mo naman na hindi ka full of botox, na hindi na nangingiti yung mukha mo. Everything, diba? Kasi again, we'll go back to the smile. Smile is our natural botox. It's make us young.
It's
Kesa sa
like
poker
just
Okay, Jack.
don't overdo the expressive thing that you're losing your poise. You just don't notice it.
Yeah, okay.
I mean, what's
So
wrong
just
with that? I mean, wait guys, di ba, on a first date, do you really have to make a good impression? Ako, hindi. Kung first date, this is me. Bahala ka kung magugustuhan mo ako or hindi. Then, that's your problem. Basta ako,
Yes.
ako.
Okay. Ayan. So, but pinag-uusapan natin to kasi yung mga researchers sa pagdating sa guy, yung impact sa guy. And okay, usually, ang mga suggestions sa dating world, andun na tayo, be yourself. But then, sometimes sabi nila, it's not enough to be authentic in a dating world. If you want to really have a success dating, you also have to mind, how others can interpret you. Paano yung dating mo sa iba. But, of course, hindi natin inaalis na yung natural us, someone who will take us for what we are, di ba? Watch and all. Of course, yun. Pero ngayon, as in first date, again, pinag-uusapan natin. Dito na tayo sa maraming question. Yung last na...
Wait lang for me na. I beg to disagree. Kasi parang, on a first date, sabi nga nila, kasi para sa akin, it's like, you don't have to do something or make an impression na hindi mo mapapanindigan later on kung sakaling maging boyfriend mo yan.
Oo, sa mga babaeng nag-titricks lang o nag-game lang sa mga guy or yung mga babaeng magaganda na they're making a perks or benefits na gamitin ang ganda nila but then later on they will play games sa guy. So, nangyayari yan doon. So, ito yung pinag-uusapan natin ngayon sa ating katulad natin, sis, na medyo smart in dating, okay? Because we know already what we like. So, at least in-encourage din natin ngayon mga kabataan na babae na maging approachable and, why some men like this or that. So, again, can I proceed na sa last na making a great impression? Sis?
Oh, we lost Janet.
Okay, because it's his car. Okay, we go now to the last, what men like making a great impression to women is eye contact. Diba? Ang daming tanong sa blog and sa inbox ko about eye contact. Bakit napaka-powerful ng eye contact, sis? Will you share something about this eye contact? Very, alam mo na, ang dami naman sinasabi. So, tell me, anong meron sa eye contact? Sa mga experiences mo?
Sabi nga nila, your eyes are your windows to your soul. Ako kasi, sa mata, makikita ko nagsisinungaling sa akin ng isang lalaki. Yeah, so it is very important that when I talk to the guy, kailangan he look at me straight in the eyes. Yung hindi mo kung saan siya nakatingin as if, not hearing me or not paying attention to me.
Correct.
You know what I do pag ganun yung kadate ko? I'll cut it short.
Okay, good.
I'll cut it short.
Back.
I'll cut the date short. Like, use. Yeah, Jan. Yeah, you're back.
Yeah. We're talking about eye contact.
Short.
How about you, Ja? Your point of view about eye contact, how powerful is eye contact during date or?
It's like just about basics. It tells the other person that you're actually listening or what. It's just
we lost him. Hello.
No.
Yeah. You're okay, Ja?
Yeah. It's like it's just basically the same as talking to just about anyone. Just it's eye to eye contact. That's it.
Okay, I'm just going to share some very interesting explanation according to expert like anthropologist Helen Fisher. She said that bakit powerful ang eye contact? She said that it is basic animal instinct. Wow. Direct eye contact triggers a part in the human brain calling forth one of two basic emotions. You either approach or retreat. So, right? So,
like that could also trigger a fight. Hey, why are you looking at me?
Kaya nga, approach and retreat. Ganun din sa fight, di ba? Whether you're going to fight or you just takbo ka na lang. Okay, so lacking eyeball to eyeball with the attractive people, put the match to the flame. It adds fire. Okay? So, and also, andun din ang indication na during date, yun din ang mga nagsisignal kung interested yung kausap mo, hindi. Dahil when you look them at nagwa-wonder yung mga mata nila kung saan, it means na hindi nila nagugustuhan ang naririnig nila or what. So, guys, you have to pay attention to that. Alright? Hindi lang basta, di ba, meron dun sa vlog na tumitingin lang siya, wala siyang ginagawa. Tinitingnan lang daw niya yung babae, which is, siyempre, medyo pagka-creepy naman yung dating pag you're not talking at the same time, tinitingnan mo lang siya, and then sabi niya na parang nami-misinterpret siya ng girl na tumitingin siya sa kanyang chest. Actually, to note and to mention, normally sa guy, ang tinitingnan nila sa babae from head downwards. Okay. Whereas sa ladies naman daw, from the shoes upward. And especially yung ladies, if there's anything that they like to look also is the butt of the guy. Okay? So, yun yung mga according sa research. Okay? So, to make another time, to make a great impression on your first date, ladies, wear your smile often, walk slower, talk slower, femininity, have your, yung, adlad nyo daw yung hair nyo, kung mahaba and everything. If you prefer a red color, much better sa yung dress, and be expressive, facial expression, and the eye contact. So, yun yung mga making a great impression to the guy on your first date. So, now, may questions ka, Ja or G, about that? Or you will add more about, making a great impression? Kasi
may tanong ako.
Yes. Yes, G.
How can you make eye contact with Chandela if her eyes are covered by her bangs?
There's question. Sagutin mo nga.
Wow, saan nanggaling yung tanong na yun? Ang lalim!
Wow, sis, you have to be mindful of that kasi nga yung powerful point of attraction is up there, up between your nose. That's the eyes. So kung di nila nakikita yung eyes.
Uy, hindi. Yung bangs ko naman. Kita naman yung mata ko.
Kita pa.
And
Oh,
don't you think it's more romantic, Sisterette? Kasi pag titignan niya yung mata ko, di ba, nakaharang yung bangs ko na ganyan. Pag sisilipin niya, medyo maglalapit yung mukha namin.
Oh, yun. May purpose siya sa'yo, okay? Yun naman pala, may purpose siya. Maaring sexual purposes. Oh.
Okay.
Okay?
I will take that.
Okay, good. Thank you for answering. Okay.
Oh, can I just say hi to Janice?
Yeah, we're going to take a
Thanks,
break
bro.
and we'll get him back on air.
Yeah, wanna take a break?
Okay.
Yes.
All right, we're gonna take a short music break.
Mm-hmm.
You're listening to the Pinoy Podcast.
And you're listening to Pinay Podcast, the Pinay Night, Pinay Talk, Girls Night with Chandela and Fermina, the special guest Janice. We'll be back after this short music break. And we're back here on Pinay Podcast with Pinay Talk with Chandela and Fermina with a special guest, Janice from Manila. And the topic is Mars and Venus Dating Guide. And here's your host, Chandela and Fermina.
Hi guys, we're back. Who's in the chat box? Okay. We have 2 viewers, Daniel. And we have Janice over here. Janice! You there?
Hey. Yeah, I'm still here. Walking.
Are you walking around? All right.
Yeah, walking around the streets.
Janice, where's your exact location right now?
Okay. Like right now, I'm here, like standing in front of the Fort Global City, in front of St. Luke's Medical Center.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm right
Can
here
you
at
give
the
us a
fort, in
traffic-
front of, in front of St. Luke's.
Okay. Can you give
Okay,
us a traffic update?
Yeah, things are still moving quite slow here at the fort. At least the main thoroughfares, like what street is this? 32nd Street. That's the main street here at the fort. So yeah.
Okay. And
There's
how's
a
the
lot
weather?
of the people
Okay.
getting off from work,
How-
going home.
Oh. Time check
It's
is
drizzling a
9
little
p.m. in Manila.
Still. Weather hasn't been bad here in the Philippines, like for the past. Yeah, 5 minutes. Yeah, the weather hasn't been that good past few
Oh.
days. Actually, I'll say past few months. So
Yeah. Okay.
you can't go out and party. Yeah,
Thanks, Janice, and
that's why it's noisy.
yeah, thank you. And so you stay here, okay? You stay with Chandela and Fermina. All right,
Yeah,
Chandela.
sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Since I can find kung nasan si Fermina, mukhang nawawala siya.
I'm here.
Oh, she's back. She's
I'm
back.
back. I'm back.
My God, where have you been?
So, ang daming interruption dito and they're trying to make me cut off to my break time, but I said I have to finish this first, so okay.
So how many minutes do you have?
I have
Fermina?
25 minutes, okay?
Okay, cool.
So we'll try to finish with this. Okay, so I'm gonna share right now the 3 example from Dr. John Gray, what women can do during the dating, especially on the first date and the chance to have the second date and to have an understanding from a guy and a lady's point of view. Ang sinasabi niya rito kasi since a first date is where a woman and a man first attempt to learn others' language, it's also where many relationships get killed, where the first misunderstanding and misperceptions, where misunderstanding and misperceptions are formed. Kasi we all know naman, women brains have different operating system and the guy also have a different operating system. So, minsan, lahat ng miscommunication or misunderstanding is just that we don't know each other, we don't understand each other. So, during first date, he shared some example to women that they can pay attention to. So, number 1 is compliment him. So, and number 2, draw him out but don't leave him hanging. And number 3, keep it light and bright and gay. So, number 1, compliment him. Ang scenario dito is, when a guy invited you and, sure naman na siya na rin siguro nagprepara sa place na pupuntahan nyo or it's either a restaurant or what. So, may mga babae na parang pagdating sa restaurant or may mga vocal sila na, instead of appreciating, they tend to be looking to something that they tend to criticize, na parang ganon. Sabi nga nila, when someone invited you, parang ito yung metaphor, invited you to some dinner or kainan, di ba? Siyempre, pag pumunta ka sa isang kainan, siyempre, ang main concern mo, yung food, and then the ambience sa place, and everything. Okay? So, kung may nag-invite sa'yo na family, di ba? Sa isang bahay. So, syempre, ma-appreciate mo yung ambience nila and the way they treat you and everything. Pero kung insecure dater ka, ito yung mga alam na natin the word insecure. They keep looking for, something to complain about and criticize about, blame about. So, yung mga insecure daters, sila yung pupunta sa isang bahay, may nag-invite sa kanila, ang mas nakikita nila yung butas sa bubong or yung butas sa bintana or yung crack sa cement. Ganon. So, ladies, be aware of that. I mean, lighten up. Sa guy kasi, maraming pinagdadaanan ng guy kasi they are really, hindi sila ganon ka-open eh. So, yung a guy asking you on a date, yung having the balls together to ask you out on a date, big deal naman din sa kanila yan. But then, di ba? So, kung dinala ka nila sa isang place, no matter kung ano na, wag naman mag-focus sa mali o sa hindi mo nagugustuhan. Okay? Yun lang ini-impart ni Dr. John Gray. Kasi sa pag medyo negative ka na about a guy's choices, medyo iba na yung dating sa guy. Okay? So, at
and
remember nyo, kailangan talaga, keep in mind ladies, na a guy always want to please you and intention nila is pleasing you and impressing you. Okay? On a first date. Talaga yung impression na yan, yung guy din, pinagdadaanan nila yan. So, keep it, yung vibes na binibigay nyo, create a positive dating experience. So, the more, kung gusto niyo magtagumpay sa dating world, mas marami nagtatagumpay kung ang purpose niyo is to have a fun, enjoyable, and positive dating experience. Okay? And the second one, I explained, draw him out, but don't leave him hanging. So, for that, dito ko nababasahin yung question natin or yung liham natin sa ating PM sender kasi may related to sa tanong niya. So, basahin ko na, sis.
Okay,
so,
go.
Hi, Permina. How are you? And eto na naman ako, hihingi na advice. Inibitahan ko tong kaibigan ko na babae magkape. May quote and unquote, in-emphasize niya, libre ko. At nag-usap kami ng matagal. Then the following day, she texted me and asked me kung pwedeng uminom ulit kami. Nilibre ko ulit, quote and quote. We stayed 5 p.m. till 9 p.m. Tapos, uwian na, naglakad kami. That's one thing I like about her. She want to walk. She asked me a lot of personal questions. Nangyari yan for about 3 more days at lalo siyang nagpapaganda. Then, she texted me kung gusto kong mag-invite ng ibang kaibigan. Kaya sinama ko yung kaibigan kong lalaki. Ayun, since I am a quiet type guy at yung kasama ko ay magaling mag-usap, kaya mostly sila nagkausap. Nakita ko sa mata, di ba ang kagustuhan niya sa kaibigan ko. So pag uwi, tinanong niya ako about him, which I obliged na sabihin ng totoo. Then she texted me that night about him. Kaya sinabi ko sa kaibigan ko na, oy, gustong-gusto ka niya. Pero ayaw maniwala ng kaibigan ko. So, 3 days na wala na ako na-receive na text sa kanya, hindi naman ako nagsiselos, masaya ako kung sila. Saka lumabas tunay na ugali ni girl. Noong pangalawang beses naming nagkakape at napadaan at nakita ang bar, sabi niya hindi siya nagpupunta kasi sex lang ang habol doon. E nung kasama si kaibigan, proud pa niya sinabi na bar and billiard siya tumatambay dati at party girl siya. LOL. Perfect sana siya, kaso may mga red flag na akong nakikita. So, tanong lang, Paano
Did
ba
I read it?
Wait, ja. Let me finish yung question niya. Ito yung question niya. So, tanong ko lang, this is a letter sender. Ito yung question niya. So, tanong ko lang, paano ba mababago ang sarili ko sa pagiging boring? Actually, kaya hindi ako makapagsalita sa dami ng problema that time. Sa kapag crush ko talaga ang babae, natatameme ako. Okay, Ja, your turn. So, any thoughts about this letter sender, Janus?
You know what, sis? I think I read that somewhere. Somewhere else.
You.
Yeah. I just
Was
forgot
that
what I
you,
said.
Janus?
When I read. No, I read that somewhere. Like, it's very familiar. And I think I did put a comment on that letter somewhere, sometime. I just forgot what I said now. What was the question? How could he change his style or what? When it comes to...
Paano ba mababago ang sarili ko sa pagiging boring? Kasi he thinks na girl doesn't like him because he's boring. And may reason naman siya kaya hindi ako makapagsalita. That time, may problema siya. And pag crush niya talaga ang babae, natatameme siya.
Okay, pretty much straightforward. He doesn't have game. So, it's communication is really hard to develop. But then, this was my advice to a friend back then in college who has the same problem when it comes to talking to girls. Like, treat it as if you're chatting with someone that you don't really see or you don't know how they look like or what. You could say a million things on that. So just put yourself always in this mode or like in this sphere that you're talking to just about another guy, not a girl. Then probably it would make you talk about more things. You could say more stuff, cuento, or what have you not, right? Yeah, I think that's it. It's really hard to explain how to get that skill. I've been through that as well. But then just say anything that would like start off with cuento. It's like more of a give and take. You ask questions, they answer, then you just listen, then do a follow-up. Then you could carry on a conversation like without you noticing it. That's it.
Okay, sis Sandela?
Janice?
Yep.
Janice? Mag-Tagalog
Yes.
ka nga.
Why?
Yes.
Bulol yan, bulol. Hindi yan magtatagalog kahit gusto niya.
I wanna hear you, Janice, I wanna hear you talking Tagalog, okay?
Yeah, sure. Just bear with me anyway.
What was the question again, Fermina?
So sa tanong niya, paano daw niya mababago ang sarili niya kasi he thinks maybe hindi siya nagustuhan dahil boring siya dahil tamemi daw siya pag gusto niya yung babae, hindi siya makapagsalita.
Okay. Tameme. Boring kapag kaharap na yung babaeng gusto niya.
Gusto niya.
Alam mo, wala akong masasabi dyan. Alam mo, pwede ko lang sabihin sa kanya, mag-practice siya siguro bago siya makipag-date. Alam mo yun, as his girlfriend, kung paano niya madidevelop yung character niya in front of a girl na gusto niya. Diba, magsasabi naman yung mga girlfriends niya na siguro, you do this and you do that. Ako, sa akin, hindi ko alam kung paano yan. I mean, wala akong idea. Siguro, tanungin natin yung mas nakakatanda.
Okay.
You're there.
I'm here. What's the question?
So,
Paano daw
how
mababago
can
ng
he not be boring?
What?
And how can he make himself, approach? Yung tamemi daw siya sa girl. Pag gusto niya daw yung
Torpe
girl,
ba?
hindi siya makapagsalita.
Oh,
Matutorpe.
I'm like that. So I can relate to that.
Okay, so anong...
Um,
So, di ba, G, nagkaroon ka ng 9 girlfriends all at once. So, paano mo na-overcome yung pagiging torpe?
hindi totoo yan. You're putting me on the spot again.
Uh-oh. There. Laglag mode.
Laglag mode.
Okay.
Kapag torpe ka, You just have to break the ice. You know, like develop a humorous, develop a a sense of humor. That's the only way you can break the ice.
Yeah, true.
Thank you for saying that.
Yeah, I mean, like, to add to that, it's more of that, like, every person's unique. Like, not every girl that you encounter, like, makikilala mo dyan na magugustuhan mo, they're all like, what if quiet din yung girl? Paano na kayo? You're just gonna stare at each other. It's up to you to make the first move, right? So, but then, at times, you'd come across another girl naman who's, like, a little bit talkative, or, like, what do you call it in Filipino? Like, ma-PR, right? So, yeah, and you're lucky if the girl's like that. So, but then, it's still at the end of the day, that's not an excuse for you not to be sociable. That's basically it.
Okay, thank you, Janus. A good point. Maganda. So, anyway, yung payo kaya ako nabanggit yung topic ni letter sender sa pangalawang example ni Dr. John Gray kasi ito yung minimension niya na sa mga babae, draw him out but don't leave him hanging kasi men are better at listening than speaking. Okay? So, kung...
What?
Men are better at listening than speaking.
Men are better?
At listening than speaking.
Oh,
and
no,
because
I don't
they
believe
don't...
that.
Okay?
No, that's not true.
Okay? They don't
That
have
is
that...
not true.
Okay? They don't have that verbal skills like women do. Okay? So, kung ikukumpara natin, again, kung susukatin kasi natin yung mga lalaki, as being a woman, sa panukat nating mga babae, hindi talaga tayo magkakaintindihan. So, itong mga sinishare ni Dr. John Gray is for us to, lighten up a little bit with the guy, be patient. And yung mga tanong na bakit ganito ang ganyan ng guy, may mga reason yan. We always have to assume the best sa mga tao, whether it's men or women, okay? Sa guy kasi, alam naman natin, compared to women, yung verbal skills nila, hindi ganun katulad sa atin. So, kailangan unawain natin yon. At kasi, bakit ba hindi natatameme o hindi madalas mag-question ng guy? Alam nyo kasi, sa core ng guy, hindi sila ganun ka-vocal kasi sa nila, they are hunter, they are warrior, they are good on concealing, and they tend to feel safe first before they do anything. So, ganun ang nature ng guy. So, pero kasi, ang conflict, pagdating naman sa babae, pagdating natin sa ating mga babae, for us, to women, asking question or pag kinakausap tayo ng lalaki is a sign that they are, they care or concerned about us. So, nakita niyo yung conflict doon. So, yun ang dinidiscuss ni Dr. John Gray sa mga conflicting between men and women. So, kailangan maging i-consider natin yun. Kung bakit, kasi ang nature ng guy, because they are warrior, they are a hunter, they know how to conceal, and they do respect privacy. My God, kahit anong gawin mo sa guy, they know how to keep secret, they know how to keep the privacy. So, they are good on that thing. So, as well as kung hindi man sila masalita or everything, it's their nature. What a lady can do or a girl can do is just create an environment na yun nga, being open at hindi, yung sa una, na being appreciative, hanggang makita ng guy na it's okay for him to talk. You know?
Ganito, like, I have another explanation to that would probably clear what Sis Fermina here is trying to convey. Because with guys, we have this mentality na you don't really have to tell everything to us, like what to do or what, like just say it in a few words. It's up to us to like break it down or like para intindihin what you meant, right? Then that's the same reason then why girls like really ask a lot of questions, that they want to go straight to what they want to hear. Yun. So that's why they're more talkative. With guys, we're just like we imagine ourselves, we imagine ourselves now we're as if we're talking to another guy that we don't have to say a lot for them to understand. But, diba? So hence why guys see girls as naggers, or they're really talkative, or like, ano ba yan, like, ang hirap na umintindi nito, ganyan. And we hate explaining ourselves, especially over and over again.
Okay.
No, Janice, kasi alam mo, kami mga babae, hindi naman kami magtatanong kung outright naiintindihan naman namin agad, diba? Kaya kami nagtatanong kasi kaming mga hindi naiintindihan. So if you will just tell us everything, kasi like you, ayaw nyo rin na nanghuhula kayo, kami ganun din. Ayaw din namin ng mind games kasi hindi rin kami nanghuhula. So kung may tinatanong kami, sana sagutin nyo ng diretso para tapos ang usapan, di ba?
Tama. So, men, yung guy, so take that to consideration, bakit gusto ng babae na tinatanong sila, kasi sa palagay ng mga babae, you are expressing concern and care. And then yung sa babae naman, bakit hindi nakakapag-usap ng gano'n ng guy is be patient. Sometimes, it just take a moment until they know that it's kind of, katulad ng sinasabi ni G, one of the practical strategy, kung masyado kang tameme o masyado kang mahiyain na guy, you can say it in humor. Actually, I have an experience with this super shy guy na he invited me sa isang Chinese restaurant. So pagdating sa Chinese restaurant, from the moment he took me home and then to napakabilang ng salita niya. So during siniserve na yung soup sa restaurant, so, hanggang tapos yung soup sa restaurant, hindi pa rin siya nagsasalita sa akin. So, ako naman, hindi ko pa alam tong mga ito dati. So, ako lang, tahimik din ako. So, maya-maya, may uso pa yung mga scarf ng guy nun, ba, yung malalaki. Nagpapaypay siya ng scarf. Tapos, siguro, gusto na talaga niya magsalita. Pero shy siya eh. Pero, siguro, he willed himself to start with the humor. Alam mo, sabi niya sa akin, alam mo, Jen, hindi ko alam kung sa soup ako naiinitan o sa'yo. Kasi hiyang-hiya ako. Sabi niya, hindi, sabi niya, nahihiya talaga ako na makaharap ka. Na gano'n. So, he started from there and, nakita niya yung smile sa face ko, nag-loosen up siya. So, guy, man, a little honesty, a little vulnerability will go a long way. Kung talagang tamemi ka, please just will yourself to say something about that moment. Hindi naman mag-start ka sa humor, or minsan pansinin mo yung mas gusto pa ng babae, pansinin mo siya something about the hair or something about the watch, or basta yung magsalita ka ng gano'n, right that in the moment. Hindi ka naman kailangan katulad ng mga praktisadong bad guy na kung ano na pinagsasabi. But, if you're a good guy and tamemi ka, ang pansinin mo something, kung tanungin mo ang favorite kulay ng babae and everything, just to start up. And be real honest, kung nahihiya ka, it will break the ice. Iyon yung mga practical. Tama si G. Practical na magagawa nyo sa mga pagdating sa ganung na ubusan ka ng lakas na loob. Okay? And remember, it's just a date. Okay? It's just a date. It's just an effing date. Okay? Remind yourself about that. So, I'll go past now because they keep calling me. Anyway. Number 3 sa example ni Dr. John Gray, mga babae, keep it light, bright, and gay. So, napag-usapan natin noon to, di ba? Yung mga during the date, na kung may mga babae na talking about their burdens sa excess. So, your guy date may be showing some empathy or nodding, but then, in their mind, syempre, they taking notes na parang dami mong baggages. So, please, hindi ganun yung dapat yung pag-usapan during the first date. Okay? So, at walang, yung pass nyo, iwan nyo sa pass. Hindi siya mag-encourage ng magandang impression, talking about against your exes. So, hindi maganda sa ng mga lalaki yon. So, ang maganda rito, keep an upbeat and positive dating experience again. So, don't talk about your exes. Right? You have anything about this, sis? Keep it light, bright, and gay. Just
Yeah, minsan
relax.
kasi.
Yeah,
Yeah. Mm-mm.
kasi
Dapat
nga-
relax ka lang and
Mm.
don't, alam mo yun, wag mo i-focus yung conversation sa sarili mo, diba?
Mm-mm. Yeah,
Dapat,
alam
magsalitain
mo,
mo sa date mo.
at saka yung mga kinukomplain nyo, please, hindi, tayo mga babae, we find comfort sa ating mga girlfriends when we talk a lot, many things. We can talk about our hair to the boyfriend, everything, and it's fine. When it comes to guys, please take note na hindi sila tayo. I mean, we can find comfort discussing our problems, but to the guy, hindi masyado. Burden sa kanila yon. They tend to shut down pag ganun. So, yun yung mga tatlong example ni Dr. John Gray na i-consider ng mga ladies during dates. So, create a positive experience pa rin sa dating.
Mm-hmm.
So, again,
Yes.
so eto na. Before and during, sa after dating na tayo. Can we move on to that?
Okay.
Yun kasi
Okay.
di ba minsan matatapos na yung dating and he's going to take you home. O, di ba? I mean, yung mga etiquette na pwedeng gawin ng mga babae, please say thank you. Guy will appreciate that. I mean, again, remember asking you out is a big deal to them, the courage and everything, kasi they are shy and everything. So, just saying thank you and appreciate the night, the dinner and everything. Just say thank you. Kasi may mga babae na tend to say thank you, I think after the date or kinabukasan pa and everything. Parang wala lang sa kanila. Parang,
Or kaya minsan through text pa, no?
diba? Tapos, kung di nyo nakita yung attraction doon, kung talagang walang spark and the guy the following days asked you kung they can have the second date, kung talagang wala naman, men can they can accept direct answer. So, wag nyo na silang paikutin pa. Okay? Because they already know that. Okay? They can even sense you. So, get real. Just say politely that I don't think that I can make a connection with you. But thank you. You're such a great guy. Like that. So, but, pakita nyo pa rin yung politeness. Tsaka, ano tawag doon? Ensure na yung marami kasing nagtatanong na guys sa akin na yung pinapaasa. Maaring siguro.
Paasa, yeah.
Oo, diba? Marami sa inbox ko na tapos hindi naman pala and then malalaman. Anyway, na nakikipag-date pa daw sa iba. Anyway, sa dating kasi, dating is about numbers. You aren't exclusive unless someone, or especially the guy, owns you o pareho kayong nag-agree to define your relationship and exclusive na tayo, we'll be having a relationship. Unless na meron nun, pag wala, you are free to go to date anybody as long as you want. Okay? Dating is not a relationship at all. It's just you and the guy, trying to like each other and see kung gusto niyo talagang magkaroon ng relasyon. Kung hindi naman, be kind, polite, and, diba, I mean, you owe the man. Kasi take them for their courage to ask you out and get to know you somehow. So, yun lang yung mga etiquette na magagawa ng mga babae.
Kasi yung iba, pag feeling nila, nagde-date na sila and feeling nila, hindi na dapat makipag-date yung girl sa iba, right? Or yung guy.
Unless na-define nyo yung relationship nyo and then if a guy asks you, bakit ka pa nakikipag-date sa iba? Teka, sige, sabihin mo sa kanya, have a conversation na, so okay, ano tayo? Anong gusto mangyari? Di ba? I-clear nyo yun. Unless someone owns you and want to profess, yun. And otherwise, you can free as you go. Date as much as you can. Kung walang balls ang guy na to make the relationship develop for more, Siyempre, next, di ba? And don't get stuck. And sa mga men naman na medyo feeling na-reject sila, hindi sila na-choose and everything, don't lose your heart. I mean, it's just a date again. And the more experiences you have, the more na nakikreate kayo ng positive attitude about dating at mas experience kayo at mas ma-appreciate nyo yung the one na you will end up with. Yun ang maganda doon.
So ano to, for me na parang collect and collect then select? Ganon?
Hindi kasi sa dating, you're trying to get to know someone kung magugustuhan ka. You cannot force or put a gun on their heads. It's just the only way to really get to know each other, di ba? I mean, kasi depende naman yun. If you want just ang hangout o banging out with someone, yun. Pero yung date na pinag-uusapan natin ngayon is yung declaring your good guy intention to you. Kung yun ang gusto nyong relationship, you might as well follow what na-mention natin ngayon, di ba? Pero kung yung ask yourself, yun nga, sa babae, yung clarity at mainam na rin na alam mo yung gusto mo sa tao. Kahit ano pang date ang atinan mo o i-invite ka ng guy, pero kung meron kang gusto sa guy, alam mo na kung ano yung hinahanap mo sa lalaki, that is much better. Kaysa yung wala kang idea. Kasi ang madalas na mistake dito ng mga babae, they wish they could find the right man, but they really don't know what they like in a right man. You cannot just tell to the restaurant, give me fish. What fish?
Okay.
Pirito ba yan? Or sweet and sour? O ano, di ba? Please,
Buhay.
ladies, So, yung dating is about exploration. So, mas maganda ready yourself and mas maganda talaga na alam mo yung gusto mo sa guy na gusto mong partner. And then, attract the partner na talagang gusto mo. It's more easier. You will end up with those jerks at all. So, maganda pa rin yung positive vibes and positive attitude ng mga babae. Okay? So, may i-add pa kayo sa ating topic? May question kasi sa
Okay.
Kasi may question sa inbox nga na madalas na nare-reject daw sila, paasa, after merong girl na umorder ng steak, and then hindi man lang kinain, hindi man lang tinikman. Ladies, listen to this.
Wow.
Mahirap na yung panahon ngayon, and everybody's working, and pay gratitude to everything. Kung hindi nyo naman kakainin, huwag nyong orderin, okay? Please.
Yeah. Tapos, ewan ko nga, minsan pag, kunyari,
yeah, kasi...
minsan nga, okay, when I'm out, makikita ako ng couple, siguro, dating pa lang talaga. Ang daming pagkain sa lamesa. Hindi naman nila ginagalaw, diba? Parang, natatawa ako minsan. Or, pa-cute kumain, ganyan, yung girl. Tapos yung orange juice mo ang gagalawin, 'di ba? I mean,
Pero,
kahit sa Jollibee ka lang ngayon kumain, mahal na sa Jollibee ngayon, 'di ba? Yung pa kayo mag-steak ka.
Sa survey, yung fast food yung pinaka-worst place to date on the first date, okay? So, guys, take note of that.
Yeah.
Don't go on the fast food on your first date, okay? Sa maingay na lugar. Wag. May mga tanong kasi dito about rejection sa mga dinidate, and then they spend money and everything, and along the way they will find out na sabihin ng girl na ganito ganyan. So girls, be mindful and smart datings. No games, no tricks, no excuses. If you don't like the guy, just be honest with yourself and with them. I mean, be polite. If you don't feel that kind of connection, set them free. Let them off the hook.
Yes.
And don't use your, dahil babae ka, maganda ka, yung mga perks na makukuha mo, free dinner, free lunch. Hindi ganon. If you're not ready to a relationship, stop dating. You might as well stop dating. Kasi these guys like you, they do and feel the same. So, please take care. Ganon.
Yeah, if you don't like the guy, tell him and say next.
Yeah.
Diba?
And just
Ganun
be
lang yan.
polite. Ganun lang yun. And sa guy naman, sa mga na-reject at sa mga please, again, don't lose heart. It's just a effing date. And you have, more experience you have, the more talaga na ma-appreciate nyo yung the one for you. Yun ang kagandahan sa dating. And you will know more about yourself, that what you don't like and what you want. So, iyon. Nandiyan pa ba si Janus?
O,
Wala.
nawala si Janus. Oo.
Sis and G, can I say my NPs now? Because I have to go.
Sure.
And
Yes.
thank you sa tao sa live chat at saka sa mga listener. Till next time. So, I just want to say out there, men and women, yung mga experiences nyo, it will make you stronger, more patient, more able to love talaga. And the thing is, really, the one na ma-appreciate nyo, the one that you will end up with. So, keep dating. Just keep dating. Shuhada. No matter what shuhada means, it's a Arabic language, sorry. It doesn't matter na kung ano man ang mangyari doon. Be in the dating pool. You cannot get wet. You cannot go swimming without getting wet, right?
Yes.
So, keep dating. Try. Will yourself to go out there. Wala kang makikitang ka-date pag nasa house ka lang. Okay?
So I should go out tomorrow.
You should go out. So, I'm going to just bachi na ako. G, thank you. Shandela,
Okay.
sorry for this. Because I have to attend something. And
Okay.
Thank you, Fermina.
Thank you, G. See you later,
Thank
guys.
you, Janus. That was a great job,
See you
Fermina,
later.
and very interesting topic.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
That was Fermina, our beautiful Pinay in Dubai, and with Chandela and Janice. All right, Chandela, can you give us your last thoughts on this topic?
Well, ano bang last thought ka doon? Basta pag dating, you just have to enjoy yourself. Huwag masyadong magpa-impress. Huwag gumawa ng mga bagay na hindi mo kayang panindigan hanggang sa huli. Just be yourself, and when you don't like the person, say it outright. Don't leave them hanging. Kasi I'm sure ikaw din, you don't want to be left hanging, right? So, just be always straight, be considerate, be thankful, and ano yun, G? Wala ako.
Well,
Anyway,
Well,
Anyway.
sa chat box, we have comments in the chat box. Sabi ni Danelle,
kahit
girls should be
quick
mindful
lang yan. Yeah.
and considerate.
Yes.
JDC, meron din siya mga thoughts. Well, thank you guys. Thank you. Nabulol naman ako. Salamat sa ating live audience. Kay JDC, Griani, Guest 101, Danelle, at kay Sincere Liar. We
Yeah.
have a big crowd. 7.
Yes.
I mean, including me and you.
Yeah, and my friends at Speakers, hi guys. And
Yeah.
G, tomorrow is Thursday. We will have Signs of the Time with Nelson Flores, right?
Oh, yeah, tomorrow. Yeah.
Yes, and on Friday, it's Fun Friday. Like,
Yep.
we'll make fun of each other.
Almost always, you make fun of me.
Yeah, because I'm smarter than you.
Ganon.
Ganun.
Pagbigyan na nga.
I'm just
Kasi girls
kidding.
night eh.
Ikaw naman. I'm just kidding. Okay, and then Saturdays,
Pwedeng
we
bumati?
have... Mamaya na. Saturdays, we have Tonight with Tansi. Okay, that's every Saturdays, 9 to 10 p.m. And soon,
Yes.
we're going to have another podcaster.
Yes.
She's a girl, young, vibrant, so watch out
Wow.
for that. And
Watch
we're
out.
talking about the right? You were suggesting that since we've been doing this for a month already, probably we can have something like a raffle or prizes.
Yeah, we
I have
can.
sponsors for that na. You just have to what's the mechanic, and you think of that. I'll provide the prizes through the sponsors, okay?
Yeah, it will be like a raffle during the show. At dapat nandito ka sa live audience para mag-qualify ka sa prize. So you have to be here.
Yeah.
And that will be in our anniversary show. Will be our second month anniversary. We're going to give away some prizes. But you have to be on the live audience, on the live chat. Alright.
When is that happening?
October 10.
We'll talk about it.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll talk about it.
Okay.
So guys, thank you. You're listening to Pinay Podcast. And I want to greet my sister Jerty, my cousin Marianne, and my friends Carla Faye, sino pa ba? Si Christine Pierce. And don't forget to follow Shandala on Facebook, also Pinay Podcast on Facebook, Twitter, and other social media like YouTube, Tumblr. Alright guys, so maraming salamat. Shandala,
What
are you going to do after this?
After this broadcast?
Yeah,
What?
are you gonna eat potato chips again?
Oh, I'm done eating my potato chips and my chocolates. Bawal yon, but... Yeah, so guys, thank you very much. Thank you very much for always tuning in every night, being with us.
Yes.
And I'm sure we're gonna be, we'll make this, we're going, ikaw kasi G eh.
Ako na naman, sige.
Okay. Okay, never mind. So, yeah, we have a lot of things to, to watch out for. So, dyan lang kayo, guys, okay?
Okay, so the replay will be available in like 10 minutes sa page na to, sa
Yeah, I will post it
/live.
later.
And you can also listen to the replays sa YouTube, sa SoundCloud. Punta lang po kayo sa Pinay Podcast and you will see our links there. And we are going to create some YouTube videos. We are capturing the live chat. So even if hindi namin nabanggit ang comments nyo, pwede nyo mabasa sa video. Alright guys? I will see you tomorrow. Same time, same channel. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay. This is Pinay Podcast.
Bye!
Listening to the Pinoy Podcast.